In the product launch system, you'll find the seasonality timeline. If you've ever launched something and felt like you were just winging it until the last minute, this is probably why. Because most of us don't actually have a clear view of what our year looks like. We're just reacting as we go. And the problem with that is you don't see things coming early enough. So launches feel rushed, ideas feel last minute, and you're constantly trying to catch up instead of actually planning ahead. So this is where the seasonality timeline comes in. In here, I'm able to map out my entire year so I can actually see what I've got coming up instead of just hoping I'll figure it out when the time comes. And when we expand a certain event, you can write detailed notes and add a complete checklist of what you need to do to get it done. You can use this to plan out launches, key dates, and bigger projects in a really visual way. So to add an event, just click Add Event at the top. You can also flip between the years by clicking the arrows. I like to input an event for when I'm actually launching, and then I also like to add an event when I'm going to start my prep work. So that would begin in June. Again, you can change the colours, you can add detailed notes, and you can add a checklist. You can also move events around by clicking and dragging. At the bottom, you've got a quick add section where you can click and add an event into a date that's already been designated. When running my creative business, I always found it really difficult to visually plan how my year was going to look. And having this yearly overview broken down into quarters is a great way to plan my entire year. So instead of having loads of events in the same quarter, I'm able to spread them out so that my year isn't completely jammed. And the action checklist, where I can check things off as I go, just allows me to write really key details down inside that particular event. I like to do this planning before I head into my launch timeline planner. And if you want to move the seasonality timeline to another area of the Artova app, just click the 3 dots here and move it wherever you feel it fits best.